What's going on, everybody? It's game time again, and today is a beautiful Saturday. It's a little bit cold, but if you get in the sunshine, you could almost feel like baseball season on the horizon. Well, at least spring training anyway. Which brings me to this. I'm still on this run of opening Leaf products that I've never opened. And I picked up two of these All-American Classics. They have 8 autographs. Includes metal autos and patch autos. So if we could get a couple of good prospects out of these, I grabbed 2 of them because they were on sale. That would be sweet. Also, we had talked about me finding and buying this, and I did. So watch for that in a future video. Hopefully I get him, and maybe some of the other big names. But for now, we're going to crack into one of these. And let's see who we get. They've got Kumar Rocker and Terang on the front. Be happy with those. Normally I'm terrible about doing my due diligence, but I did glance over the checklist for this to make sure that it was at least decent. Now granted, I glanced over quickly, but I definitely saw some names on there that made it attractive enough for me to pick up 2 boxes. So let's see if I can open this and get these out and try to do it the way we did it before, where I don't see them, or we're looking at them for the first time at the same time. So there's the bottom. Running out of space on my Leaf boxes back there. There's my stack. Turn my little box around just for fun. Alright, here we go. Card number 1 is Bryce Bush. It is an on-card pink auto, number 12 out of 20. Scan this QR code to view player profile. Okay. Not familiar with Bryce Bush, but it's a good-looking card nonetheless. Next up is Anthony Sigler, who I have heard of. That is a just great-looking chrome. There's something there. I don't know if it's on the card. Okay, it's on the holder actually, so that's good. This one is not numbered, so maybe this is considered the base card. I'm not exactly sure, but it looks really good. All right, number 3. Oh, JT Ginn. I have heard of this kid, so that's good. A wave parallel. Ooh, 1 of 7. So that's good. I like the wave parallels. Looks good. So, 3 cards, 2 people I'm familiar with, and for me, who's not, completely up on every rookie, that's pretty good. Seth Halverson. Now we're back to not knowing who this is. 3 out of 25. Purple parallel. Let's see. Oh, I was trying to see if they said what school he played for, but I guess you have to scan the code if you want to know that information. I'm trying to tell by the uniform, but it just says perfect, or part of perfect game. Oh, I guess they can't actually show that. Probably don't have the rights to show that anyway. So, all right, Jordan Groshans. That's not bad. And that is 12, another out of 25, purple. So another decent card there. How many have we done so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 3 more to go. Elijah Cabell. Come on, get down there. There we go. And that is a blue out of 30. I'm glad I picked up 2 boxes of this. I really love these cards, the look of these cards. Next up is Cole Wilcox, who I have heard of. He had autographs in the Stars and Stripes product. This should not be numbered. It's not. So that's the base card again. And the last card is a thick one. It is a Noah Naylor, 1 of 1 Authentic Swatch, and he has autographs, and I pulled some of his autos out of Bowman's Best this year, so I am familiar with his name. A nice, really nice American flag, part of American flag patch. So that is a nice way to end this. A little Nike swoosh there. I'm not sure where that came from. Huh. Well, for what I paid for this, that's a lot of fun to open. I think I ordered something similar to this that had like a crazy number of autos, I think. I'm trying to remember. Sorry, I shouldn't have even said it if I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. Anyways, still got one more of these to go, so slap that subscribe button if you haven't already, because we got lots more goodies coming up on the horizon. Tons more. The mailman hates me, and he's going to hate me even more in the next week or two. So it's worth subscribing to see the rest of the stuff. I'll go ahead and give you a hint. I won't give you a hint because you know that I've done so incredibly good with Donruss Optic. Well, there's some more of that optic action coming this way in the form of a special box. And that's all I'm going to say. So be watching for that, and be watching for that, and be watching for the Leaf Metal Draft Football Box 2. Everybody take care. Hope you have a great weekend, and I'll be back.